AgEagle Aerial Systems, ticker symbol UAVS, a leading provider of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, and sensors, has entered into a strategic alliance with Viam Drones, a leading drone manufacturer in India. Under this agreement, Viam Drones will be licensed to manufacture and sell AgEagle's EBX drones to customers in India, while AgEagle will provide service and maintenance training to Viam. This partnership aims to meet the growing demand for drone solutions in India's agricultural, civil, and commercial sectors. According to Bill Irby, AgEagle CEO, this alliance unlocks the potential of India's vast agricultural sector, which represents a critical opportunity for AgEagle to deploy its advanced EB drones and multispectral sensors. With over 345 million acres of arable land and a rapidly growing demand for precision agriculture, India is an attractive market for AgEagle's innovative UAS solutions. The company aims to empower farmers with real-time, actionable insights that enhance productivity and sustainability, while supporting India's vision to become a global drone hub by 2030. VM Drones is a well-established player in India's drone ecosystem, with a focus on delivering advanced drone solutions across industries like agriculture, construction, surveying, and infrastructure inspection. The company has positioned itself as a provider of high-quality drones and accessories tailored to multiple applications. With AgEagle's advanced surveying capabilities, the EBX drones will play a vital role in India's agriculture sector, enabling precise crop monitoring, soil analysis, water management, pest detection, and yield estimation. The Indian agriculture drone market is projected to reach $631 million by 2030, driven by government support and increasing demand for precision farming and resource management. This alliance positions AgEagle and Viam Drones to capitalize on this growth by combining AgEagle's proven UAS technology with Viam Drones' local manufacturing capabilities and market insights. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.